Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. And in this video, I'm making for you some bacon and onion smash burgers on the Blackstone Griddle right after this. Alright, to start the video off, I'm just showing you some of the prep that I had to do. For this recipe, I'm just chopping up some onions. I'm chopping up some thick cut applewood smoked bacon. And I'm also going to make some 5-ounce balls of ground beef out of 80/20 ground beef. That's going to give it a lot of flavor. And after that, I'll go over the ingredients. Also, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And if you are a subscriber, definitely give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and everybody on social media. Definitely help the channel out. So here I'm using my 22-inch griddle. And here's all the ingredients right here. So I have my Blackstone turned all the way up to its highest setting, and right now I'm just adding some oil and spreading it out. And now I'm going down with my chopped bacon, and I'm going to cook that till pretty much almost done before adding my onions. So as you can see, I just added my onions, and now I'm going to mix that up with the bacon, and I'm going to caramelize everything together. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to season up my bacon and onions. This is a season I stumbled upon on at Walmart, and I ended up loving it. So I'm using it on my onions and bacon. It's going to give it a lot of flavor. It's actually a barbecue rub, but trust me when I tell you, you want to go to Walmart and see if you can grab this seasoning. Alright, so now I got my onions and bacon all caramelized, and now I'm just going to be moving small amounts over to a different area of the flat top, or the griddle rather, and I'm going to put my burgers right into the bacon and onion mix. So as you can see, I got all my burger balls on the bacon and onion mix, and now I'm smashing it right into the bacon and onion. Also, I'm using a piece of parchment paper in between the spatula just to keep the burgers from sticking to the spatula. And if you're using a Blackstone Griddle or a Camp Chef or something like that, you know, for mine, I have the small one, the 22-inch. But just give yourself, whatever you use, just give yourself space so that when you smash them, you have enough space for your burgers on it. sitting on top of each other. You can also do this on the stove and maybe a large cast iron pan or something like that, but obviously you're not going to be able to get, 8 burgers into a pan. I love this the Blackstone Griddle. I use it for a lot of things. I make shrimp fried rice. I do pancakes. It's just great to have if you have the space to have it. But anything that you do on this, obviously you can do in a frying pan or on the stove or whatever. So I smashed my burgers into the bacon and onion mix. And now I'm getting ready to season with the Killer Hogs all-purpose seasoning, which is another seasoning from Killer Hogs that I found at Walmart. This stuff is great as well. It goes good on everything, French fries, stews, soups. And so now I'm flipping all the burgers and just giving it a quick press. And it's not squeezing all the juices out. It's going to stay juicy, trust me. If you follow this method, it's definitely going to stay juicy. As you can see, the burgers are still sitting in the juices and they're still cooking. And as soon as you flip them, I just give it a quick press, and then I'm going to go with my cheese. I just got some more bacon and onions that didn't make it under the burger or on top of the burger, so I didn't want to waste none of that flavor. So I know you see that steam that's raising up from the griddle. So what I'm doing is putting my brioche buns right on top of the burgers, the top sides on the burger, and then the bottom on top of the other bun. And I'm going to close the lid, and that's going to steam those buns, melt that cheese, something real lovely. All right. And you see 2 burgers off to the far right that I didn't put buns on. That's because a couple of the burgers I'm going to make double cheeseburgers. Alright, so here you go. Bacon and onion smash burgers on the Blackstone Griddle. I mean, I ended up having one of the double cheeseburgers, of course, and trust me when I tell you, these joints was fire. Yeah, so on that note, I just want to thank you for checking out another Cooking and Grilling with Karl video. Check me out on social media. You can also join my Facebook group at Cooking and Grilling with Karl on Facebook. And check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Share the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Do all that YouTube stuff. It really helps the channel. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.